Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got an email from Dave. He runs this website here with lots of information, detailed reviews of radios, and you can also get on a mailing list of his. And he reported that CountyComm has a brand new radio. Now, what CountyComm has done in the past is they will purchase from Texan radios, and then they'll specify unique things that they might want on their radios, and Texan puts their name on the radios. So I'm going to show you what Dave has reported. Here it is on the CountyComm website. Here is the GP-7 SSB. Now, Dave reports that this is basically the Texan PL-368, which came out earlier this year. There was I believe it was the GP-5, which they sent me, CountyComm sent me for review, and I did a review of that. That did not have single sideband. It might have been even an earlier version. It's $95. I think if you get it from Texan, it's cheaper than that. I don't remember. And they, as Dave reported, have a new video on it. This was put out October 18th. It's a 15-minute video, which they go over the radio, the new radio. I agree with Dave. I think it's just identical to the PL-368. Maybe there are some firmware updates. I don't know. They did mention, I've only watched half of this video. They did mention that it has a stainless steel telescopic antenna, that they requested that from Texan, that they put in stainless steel telescopic antennas. So that's one thing that's unique. As I mentioned before, I had done reviews of the PL-368, did a bunch of those. I did a review of, let's see if I can find it real quick, CountyComm, CountyComm. See how lucky I can get. Yeah, that's GP5. That's what I did. Yep, here it is right here.
They printed nice.
Oh, I didn't mean to click on it. What a dummy. That was, let's see, that was 7 years ago. Okay. So anyway, I want to thank Dave for giving that news flash to us. Again, I'll put the link to Dave's website and some of these other links that Dave included in his email to the new CountyComm wideband, all-band receiver. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm producing shows that are of interest. If you haven't subscribed, I'm trying to get to 15,000 subscribers. Not a big number when you think about all the YouTubers. Some of them have millions of subscribers, but my channel is pretty much a niche about radios, specifically shortwave radios and the like, and some other unique electronics. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.